Magical dreaming tree tutorial made from the cheapest supplies possible. Glue 2 toilet paper rolls together and slice up both ends, then use your hands to roll each of the slices into roots and branches. You'll need some discarded plastic wrapper. I'm adding holographic laminate film and primary colored book dividers that you can find at the dollar store. You'll also need some wire, Sharpie, highlighter, pens, and skewer sticks. On your plastic wrapper, use a sky blue Sharpie as well as a purple highlighter to create a semi-transparent layer. Optional, finesse a holographic laminate film on top of that. These things are like giant stickers and they go on easy. We're gonna make an X out of skewer sticks and glue it onto the bottom of this tree to stabilize it when we put in wire for the tree branches. You'll see, you'll see. Oh yeah, you'll also need some hot glue, forgot to mention it. Next, you're going to make a hook out of the wire, thread it through the top, hook it around the bottom cross that we just made, then yoink it through the top and wrap it around one of the branches. Repeat that step for all the branches and also wrap some around the trunk. This allows you to articulate the branches and will also glue some petals on. If you have a water drop hole punch, use it, otherwise draw out some petals and then cut them. Takes forever, you're gonna hate it, but it's beautiful afterwards. Glue your petals on indiscriminately with hot glue. Can you believe this is a toilet paper roll? Oh, you'll also need some jelly cord, or you can use your wire. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Use your book dividers. Cut out some narrow strips. Then just zigzag cut at an angle. Make tiny triangles. Using your jelly cord, your wire, your string, make some pennant flags. Time for the adornments. I'm just gluing beads with hot glue and jewelry glue. Gorgeous, stunning, but I'm not done. I'm using star beads and this enclosure. And behold, your very own dream tree in lieu of a real jacaranda tree, just in time for dream day. That is the dreaming tree tutorial. Thank you for watching. Talk to you next time.